Alright guys, we're in. Here we go. I'm not driving today. Got Kane driving today. Pretty cool. We got all the pools right here. We're gonna get today started. I'm gonna let Kane talk to y'all. How do you feel about today, Kane? It's first time driving, don't judge. I'm gonna start off with the crawl. Fully good crawl. Sitting right here next to the stop. Ready to get in today's video. Oh. Kane, yeah, get us out. Back up more and come back in. No, like get out of here. No, Kane. Told you didn't know how to drive it. Go backwards. Go backwards. Or not. Try. Dude, it never takes me this long. Freaking dripping sweat down me. Got my PV yesterday. Guys, if y'all don't like me tying, y'all can just like fast forward. I'm not trying to lose my viewers. I get barely any viewers whenever I do videos. Kane, you can turn. Just trying to make a little YouTube channel. It's been pretty cool. I have a couple of subscribers. I don't got that much. I only have like 57.
That's a lot.
Not really.
Never more than they have.
Check out my cousin's YouTube channel, Dino_Nuggets. Just a picture of Dino Nuggets. You might see me on there. I did a collab with him on football. I actually watched that video today on both of her channels.
What?
Whenever we collabed with Jake. I like reading comments if anybody wants to comment. Any baits in mind, anything in mind. Or y'all just want to tell me something cool. I'll comment back to y'all. It's always pretty cool to get some comments. They're good to read. Alright guys, we're about to get to fishing. Just tied my little brother on. I don't know if this view's the best. I'm honestly doubting it is. Y'all can probably barely see what I'm doing. And he's all tied up.
I'm going to the secret spot.
There's not a secret. Here. Oh, alright. Let's fish. The tube. The tube. The tube. Where you going? The tube. Really? Kane. I told you didn't know how to drive. Oh, you were turning this way? Thought you were going to the tube. Oh. Alright guys, pulling up to the spot. Hopefully we can catch a fish to show y'all. That's always fun. Caught my PB yesterday in this pond. I'm actually surprised. Pretty big. PB is only 4 pounds though. Ah. Gonna have to get to this spot. Turn right here. Turn that way. Slow down. Put it in 1. Oh, God. Alrighty, guys. Just cast. Cast. I'm reeling in. My bait caster sounds like junk right now. It rained on it yesterday. Oh God. I swear I caught 4 pound yesterday. Don't know if I probably already told you that though. Kind of drifting in. Dude, is it pushing this way now? I think it is.
It is.
How did it switch? We have the worst luck.
It's pushing this way. Hey, we're going into it. You want to dock it or not?
No.
Why don't you gotta bathe it and stuff?
I don't know. It's pretty stupid. Because we already scared off all the fish because we drove through it. Oh God. Oh my God. This thing sounds so bad. Oh, I told you. This sucks. Guess we're just going to be turning the whole time. I need an anchor. Dude, I need an anchor on this thing. What the? Got this pole. Definitely turning.